Guys, how's going to be Brandon? Hey, I'm back in the kitchen because I'm going to be making something special. And it's not really special, but I tried to make it yesterday, but it didn't go very good because it didn't do what I was expecting it to do. Sorry for me talking so fast, but I'm just super upset from the last thing I made earlier today. I had tried to make a smoothie, attempted to make a smoothie, and I don't really know what went wrong. It just didn't taste good. I think it was a mango because it didn't say that you were supposed to use it for a smoothie. So today we're going to be making a mug cake. Now it's kind of weird to say mug cake because I would usually be saying mug cake, and sorry, it's my little brothers, but I'm trying to say like mug cake, but saying mud cake just sounds kind of weird. So my dad thinks I'm saying mud cake. I'm trying to say mug cake, but I can't really say mug cake, so I'm just saying mug cake. And it sounds like I'm saying mud cake, which I know you guys probably can't understand what I'm saying because I'm talking extra fast, but I just need to get into this video. Let us get the toy. I found this one in my room. It's been washed I don't know how many times, but it has something disgusting in it the one I found it. What am I? Yeah. Tisp. Because I had did this yesterday, so I know exactly what to do. But I'm not using water. Be right back. I'm gonna use milk because I did this yesterday and it didn't go as planned. Because aren't mug cakes supposed to rise? Yesterday's did not rise at all. To me, it looked like it got lower. So this is the what is this one? Caramel cake. I better read the instructions again. Empty pouch into microwave safe cup. Microwave safe cup. Mug. Anyway. No tablespoons of water or no tablespoons needed or water because I'm using milk. Because apparently it makes the cake moist. I don't want moist cake, so. Okay, so what are you gonna do after that? After you add the milk? Maybe I should add just a little bit more. I don't know how much to add. I'm scared because last time I did this, it was a disaster. And I want to eat a cake that rises with the cream and be happy because I actually accomplished something in my life. I need a spoon. I need to get another spoon. Tisp. Where are the spoons at? This is the next one, but I don't really need a tablespoon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Let's scoop the excess dough into the cup anyway. That's a really good taste. Now microwave for 1 to 10 seconds. Oh, I read that wrong. 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay, sorry guys. Yesterday's video didn't go good. Yesterday's earlier. I was upset because I was so looking forward to a smoothie. So maybe what I did wrong last time was that I didn't let it cool for 2 minutes. I just straight away ate it. So I need to get some more timer. Be right back. It's done. Timer set. Time for 2 minutes, please.
Okay, 2 minutes. Starting.
I'm scared. Timer's off. Let's go check on the cake. And once again, I didn't rise. But I like it when mug cakes rise above the mug. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. One more addition. I want you guys to see this clearly. thank you guys so much for watching. I guess it's not so bad. Next time you do this, I'm going to use a better cup. Because I expect mug cakes to rise. And it rose a lot. But since the cup is bigger than the mug, like it's a tall mug, it's not going to rise all the way. Not bad. Not disappointed. I'm happy. Because actually did something that was worth doing. It's really good too. Like really good. Like the whipped cream and then the cake itself gives it, like the cake is like butter and the whipped cream is like sweet. Buttersweet. Not bittersweet, buttersweet. It's really good. See you guys next time. Bye.